Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and join my little family. If you're one of my loyal subscribers, I love you so much. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. It is a witch casket unboxing. This is my witch casket box and this is from December. I know we're super late, but it's fine. Better late than never is like the saying, right? Let's get into it and start opening the box and see what we got inside. So if you didn't see my last one, this, it does tell you here, like it has like a list of contents in it. I'm not going to bother using it because it doesn't have any other information about it, so like it doesn't say prices or anything like that. So what I'll do is I'll just take them out of the box and show you them as we go along. So we always get like a little card. You get these with the buddy box as well, which I'm hoping to be doing buddy box unboxings regularly as well. It is a mental health subscription box, and if you don't know what that is, I will let you guys know in some later videos. This is just a cute little like card. Can pop it on your wall or use it. I like to use these as bookmarks as well, so that's that. What else have we got? Oh, we've got a 2020 calendar. This needs to go on my desk. Oh, this is going on my desk. I have opened these, but I don't remember I don't always remember like what came in them. I don't remember this. So 2020 calendar. It's a witch casket calendar, and it has like all the ones on the back like that. And then when you go inside, it's got obviously got all the ones like that too. January. It's got the moon phases, which most calendars nowadays do have a moon phase. I'm just seeing when it's full moon and all that jazz. I have a moon app anyways, so that's that. Letting Go Charm Bag Kit contains everything you need to start working through painful past experiences. So let's open this up and see what we've got in here. I hate ripping these open. Okay, so this is to make a charm. So blend your chamomile and lemon balm while you focus your intent. Oh, so if you guys want to see a video on me using this, then let me know. I did mention it in my last video. Obviously, because I'm filming these all together, I don't know your responses yet. So if it is something you guys are interested in, let me know and I can hook that up for you guys. What is this? Oh, we got tea last time. So this is a Florida orange, some sort of tea. Ooh, sunflower. So I guess, does it come? Oh, so it's like that again. So like tea. I'm gonna have to get one of those things that you filter tea. Ooh, I see a hat. I see a hat. I see a hat. Oh, okay. I'm excited. I can't even try it on because I've got my hair up. It's got like some bits of white polystyrene stuff all over it, but your girl is so gonna be wearing this. I'm well excited for that. I just wish it was pink instead of yellow, but I can cope. Yellow's not my favourite colour, I'm not gonna lie. But how cool is that hat? I love my hats. I really do love my hats. In fact, I've actually got my favourite hat right here. I'm the next Supreme. Hella yeah. So that's my favourite hat. Love it. Right, what else we got? That didn't come in this box, by the way. That's just my hat that I already had. Oh, cute. So this is like a little candle. Oh, is that for a candle or is that for those I have incense cones and I don't have anything to use them with, and they would so fit in there, wouldn't they? It might say on here what it is. Spell book. Okay, I'm not sure. Just a bit enamel page. It does, no, it is a candle holder, but I think you could fit those incense cones inside that. So that's what I'm going to try that first anyway, because that's something that I actually need. What is this? I have not seen all of these things, I'm telling you. It's a bay leaf spell. A vanishing bay leaf spell. Okay, so I'm not going to open it all up, but it's got bay leaves and a pencil in there. So again, if you guys want to see more, let me know. Oh, we have another thingy. Oh, this was, what was this last time? It was something, you know what, why don't I just cut it and then I'm not ripping? God, I'm so stupid. Why am I so stupid? Really? Having said that, I don't know if I'm going to be able to cut it without actually like damaging it. Probably not. No, damaged it already. I suck. They didn't think about this very well though. They don't have my back. Why don't they have my back on this? People from Witch Casket, if you're watching, can we figure something out that's going to make this a little bit less destructive? Ah, no! Oh, I've totally ripped it. There's a hole in it now. So this one is a Moon Magic letting go. So this box is all about letting go. What was the last box about? Seeing clearly or something? I know there was an intuition spell. I can't remember. But anyway, yeah. Let's move on. Ooh, okay. I cannot read that. Why don't I know that crystal? Something carnelian, but I'm not sure which one. It's carnelian. Oh, Mozambique. Mozambique. Oh, I don't know this stone. How do I not know this stone? Gives courage and promotes positive life choices. We all need those. It can help you to overcome indecision and work in a focused way. Okay, this has come to me at a really good time in my life. I need that right now, I'm not gonna lie. Please do leave me comments down below letting me know what you think about these videos, by the way, guys. Why do these lashes look so weird? So, we've got a white altar candle. Very pretty. I love the way that this is all packaged. I think it's all packaged really like classily. Is that the right word? But just like, it has like an expensive feel to it. It doesn't feel like cheap, like it's not just being thrown in and all that. Oh, we have a spell book. Oh, it feels good. It's a book of spells. So this is just basically a notebook. You to write anything in it. So even like these ones here that they've sent, if they're good, I can always like write them in here so I remember them and I can do them again later on. That's so cute. How cute is that? It feels really nice as well. It's like, I don't know how to explain the feeling of it. It's like velvety. Like, I can't explain it. Right, let me see what else we've got in here. Let's have a look. Oh! So you've got 2 yellow candles. Pretty. They're cute. So they would go in the little star thingy that we've got. We've got some incense. I think we get incense every time. Ooh. This is Nag Champa. I'm obsessed with incense at the moment. I'm burning it every single day. Oh, we've got another Witch Casket sticker. Different colour this time. And then another badge as well. Oh, it's just a face. So this is kind of this box revolves slightly around the moon. And this is cute and it just says, it's just a face. I like that. That'd probably look quite cool on the hat. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, bitch. Yes. Okay. So, that's everything in our December. I'm having to remember which box I'm on. The December box. I'm just going to put everything away so that I don't like lose stuff. So yeah, let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know what you thought about the Witch Casket box. And ooh, I would really like to know your guys' opinions on whether you want to see more of these kind of videos. And also if you want to see me using like some of the things that are in the boxes. Also, if you've got any requests for other videos, people have been requesting the nail videos and they are coming back. I filmed one yesterday. So the nail videos are definitely still going to be coming. They are one of my like favourite videos to film, to be fair. And also I'm hoping to get like live get ready makeup videos with me as well, so that we can chat and like have a catch up, and also you guys get y'all's makeup fix. Also, what do you guys think of the lashes? This one has gone really pumping weird and I don't know why. But it's just the mascara, it's not my actual lashes, so let me just pop that out there for you guys. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Ooh, I'm so excited. I have one left to film and then it'll be all of a sudden February's will be here anyway, so yeah. So thank you for watching. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get 20 likes on this video. That is not a lot. Like, let's try and get 20 likes on this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you so, so much, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.